So म्हाका तरी alliance करपा नासलें जाल्यार I would have never approached them. So गेल ते पावटी I never made any statement against Mahagathbandhan or against Mahagathbandhan. कांय leader म्हणटा की one leader should not decide. That question will come next. That's why I am asking that first one. कांय leader म्हणटा की the PCC president should not decide. The PCC should decide. Today, one thing is very clear. We have asked them, how is your constituency? How is your organization? Are your committees in place? Are you having difficulty in identifying the candidates? So they said, most of them, we have got candidates. We will submit the prospective names of the candidates to the districts. Districts will submit the names of candidates to the Pradesh. Pradesh election will deliberate it. And at that time, you should ask me this question. Because it is the PCC who will decide. 30th September. You come and ask me whether we will have any Gathbandhan or a quote, because I like to use a quote. Quote me. I want Goenkarancho a quote. That we will be able to tell you by 30th September. So please have patience. And I don't think any political party in Goa, whether BJP, MGP or any party is talking of Gathbandhan. They are saying give us 3 months. Louison Phaler has got only one mission, to win these elections. And to win elections, we need support of everybody. We need the unity of secular forces. देखो हम शब्द जागोता हम गठबंधन किती हम सोम ना ते बिहार चे लोगा समझोता आमक जाय गोंयचो गोंयकारांचो एकवट secular forces आहात तेचो कितें जाला तो शब्द स्टाईल जाल्या now you are wearing today a particular type of shirt tomorrow you would like to change that style so
what do you mean by quote alliance only
a quote means the unity of like-minded people who believe in secularism and who feels that we have to throw out this government.
So that means alliance also, no?
So when you say come under the
see,
leadership of Congress, what
you want me to tell you there will be alliance, then why should I call the meeting of all these blocs? Why should I ask them to send their inputs? Why should I ask them to consult the people? लोकांगेले जे विचार आहात, लोकांगेली मागणी आहात, लोकांमध्ये कोण तेंगेले प्रतिनिधी जावपाक जाय दिसता आमी म्हणटात तरुण तरणाटे जाय